Okay, stoichiometry. Basically, stoichiometry. Given a balanced equation and one bit of information about any molecule there, you'll be able to tell me about all the other molecules, the requirements for the reactants, and the amounts produced. So, some steps for a stoichiometric problem. Step 1. Write and balance the equation. You could be given a word problem using nomenclature. You're going to have to generate an equation and balance it. Okay, step 2. You're going to be given one bit of information about one of the molecules. You could be given moles of that. Great. You could be given grams. You could be given atoms or molecules. You could even be given a pressure and a volume and a temperature later on and use gas laws to solve for it. But basically, any information you're given, you need to convert that into moles. Must be in moles. Third step. In step 1, you wrote and balanced an equation. In step 3, you want to write the mole ratio, the coefficients of each of the molecules in the equation, no reaction hours, just the coefficients as a ratio from the balanced equation. From the mole ratio, you have the mole ratio of the balanced equation on top. Below that, you're going to write a partial mole ratio based on the given information you did in step 2. Then you're going to calculate a conversion factor between the mole ratio from the balanced equation and that one bit of information you know. Then you're going to use that conversion factor to fill in the other spots in that balanced equation. We will do an example in a minute to show you. You'll see what's going on. The last step, most important step, answer the question. You could be asked about one of the products. You could be asked about one of the reactants. You could be asked for moles, or grams. You could be asked for atoms or molecules. Whatever the question asks, use the information in step 4 and go back and answer the question.